Hey everyone! Today I wanted to make a special treat that's popular in the Philippines called Taho. Taho is made with a silken tofu that's served with a brown sugar syrup and sago. Now, sago is also here called Sago. Sago pearls are very similar to tapioca pearls. They are chewy and they're bouncy and really yummy. They're popular in bubble tea, boba. I'm sure you've seen them around. And in this case, it's much like a really chewy but silky dessert. I call it a dessert, but really it's enjoyed all day long. From the morning when you see the taho vendors on the street, it's the original street food for breakfast, I think, in the Philippines. And they come around with these two buckets that's like balanced on a pole, and on one side you have the silken tofu, and then on the other side you have that brown sugar syrup, the arnibal, and then they just kind of scoop it, pour it into a cup, and it's a delicious way to start the day. So let's get started.
Start by cooking the sago or tapioca pearls in a large pot of boiling water and follow the directions on your package since each one is different. Drain and let it rest in water to prevent them from sticking. Now it's time for the syrup. Combine the brown sugar, water, and vanilla in a large pot and bring to a boil. Let it simmer until it thickens. Add a little bit of the syrup to the pearls to sweeten it. Place the silken tofu in a parchment-lined steamer and steam for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it's heated through. You could also use a microwave if you want. Now it's time to serve by scooping slices of the warm silken tofu into a small cup and top it with tapioca and the brown sugar syrup. And then it's ready to serve.
It's so warm and custardy and chewy. I hope you give this a try. It's such a wonderful treat, whether you have it in the morning or anytime during the day. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!